Hey there. Welcome to today's episode, where we'll embark on an immersive exploration of the extraordinary journey of Kevin Hart, the multi-talented American comedian, producer, spokesman, and actor. Born on July 6, 1979, in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Kevin Hart's early life was a tapestry woven with both adversity and inspiration. Growing up in the vibrant yet challenging environment of North Philadelphia, Kevin was no stranger to the harsh realities of life. The neighborhood, characterized by its toughness and resilience, became the crucible that forged Kevin's indomitable spirit and laid the foundation for his remarkable comedic prowess. Despite the hardships, he discovered solace in humor, using laughter as a shield against the adversities that surrounded him. It's fascinating to note that his experiences growing up in such a challenging environment heavily influenced his comedic material, allowing him to connect with audiences on a deeply personal level. This underlines the power of turning adversity into art, a theme that resonates throughout Kevin's life and career. Now, let's delve deeper into his rise to stardom. Kevin's journey to stardom was a testament to unwavering dedication and unyielding perseverance. His early stand-up specials, "I'm a Grown Little Man," "Seriously Funny," and "Laugh at My Pain," not only showcased his comedic genius but also revealed the raw, unvarnished truths of his tumultuous journey. By intertwining his personal experiences with self-deprecating humor, Kevin exhibited a rare ability to transform pain into laughter, making him incredibly relatable to his audience. This personal touch undoubtedly played a pivotal role in propelling him to stardom. As Kevin transitioned into the film industry, his impact only continued to grow. From his breakout roles in blockbuster hits like Ride Along to Central Intelligence and the Jumanji franchise, his on-screen charisma and comedic timing have solidified his position as one of the most sought-after entertainers globally. His ability to seamlessly blend humor with heartfelt storytelling has endeared him to audiences across the world, transcending cultural and linguistic barriers. Beyond his performances, Kevin Hart's entrepreneurial ventures have been nothing short of remarkable. His media venture, Heartbeat, not only raised a staggering $100 million, but also garnered a valuation of $650 million, a testament to his business acumen and visionary approach. In addition, his foray into diverse sectors, from launching an underwear line that promotes body positivity to a comedy streaming service called Laugh Out Loud, demonstrates his versatility and innovative spirit. However, it's essential to recognize that Kevin's life hasn't been devoid of challenges. His personal struggles, including a difficult relationship with his father and the resilience he displayed in the face of adversity, offer a poignant reminder of the human experience behind the glitz and glamour. Despite his fame and fortune, Kevin's journey is a testament to resilience, hard work, and the pursuit of one's passion. It's clear that his impact extends far beyond entertainment, inspiring individuals to overcome obstacles and pursue their dreams. As we celebrate his achievements, Kevin Hart's story serves as a powerful reminder of the transformative power of perseverance and authenticity. Thank you for joining us today as we took a deep dive into the remarkable life and career of Kevin Hart. Now, let's hear from our audience. What aspect of Kevin Hart's journey resonates with you the most? Feel free to share your thoughts and reflections with us. We'd love to hear